If you want to add a weather widget to the home screen on Google Pixel 10 Pro, what you can do is you can press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen, and then go to widgets. Now in here we need to find Pixel Widgets app, Pixel Weather app, and we can tap on it in order to reveal all widgets that we have from this app. So you can use either this 2x2 widget or 4x3. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. We can press and hold our finger on the widget. We will be redirected to the home screen and we can place it pretty much anywhere we wish it to be. And there we go. Now in case you see something like this, location unavailable, then you can tap on the settings over here, enable location. Let's go back, reload. Let's see, there we go. Now press continue. We can change the precise location. Let's press turn on, reload, and we should be able to see the temperature and the weather, at least after a short while, once it loads up. But that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.